Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve two problems. The first one is prove that 4 into root 2 is an irrational number. Prove that 4 root 2 is an irrational number. So we have to prove that this number is irrational. Now for proving any number as irrational, what we will do, we will prove this by contradiction, by using the indirect proof. Okay, we will prove this by using indirect proof. In the previous video, we have seen how to prove root 2 is an irrational number by using indirect proof. We have seen. The link of the video is given in description and I button. You can check it out. So here we will prove 4 root 2 is irrational by using the same type of, by using the same method, that is indirect proof. Okay, so let's see the proof. So in the first step, what we will do, we will assume the opposite. Okay, here what we have to prove, 4 root 2 is an irrational number. Okay, that we have to prove. Now the opposite of this statement will be 4 root 2 is not an irrational number. Okay, so we will assume that. So the first step is, so this is the first step, that is let us assume that 4 root 2 is not an irrational number. So we will assume the opposite. Okay, if it is not irrational means what? Any number which is not irrational will be rational, right? Therefore 4 root 2 is, any number which is not irrational will be rational. So therefore 4 root 2 is rational. Now the next step will be, so this is rational, that means any rational number we can write it in the form of P by Q form, right? So therefore 4 root 2 equal to P upon Q. Okay, any rational number we can write it in P by Q form. Here P, Q are integers. Okay, the denominator should not be equal to 0. So any rational number we can write it in P by Q form, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Okay. Now therefore this 4 we can take it this side of this equal to, therefore root 2 equal to P upon 4Q. This 4 we have taken this side. Okay. So in this equation, see, the left hand side is root 2 and the right hand side is P upon 4Q. So here see, the left hand side is root 2, which is an irrational number. It is, root 2 is an irrational number, we know, equal to, see, this is a rational number. Why? Because see, P and Q are integers, right? P and Q are integers and 4 is also integer. Okay. Again, this is in the form of P by Q form only. See this. So this right hand side, that is P upon 4Q, is rational number and this side is irrational number. Is it possible? See, one side it is irrational and the other side it is rational. Is it possible to have such a type of equation? No, right? In this equation, left side is irrational. Left side, that is the root 2. Left side, what is there in the left hand side? Root 2. So root 2, that is irrational. Left hand side is irrational and right side, what is there in the right hand side? P upon 4Q. Okay. It is rational because it is, see, P and Q are integers. P and Q are integers and 4 is also integer. So P upon 4Q will be in the form of P by Q form, where P and Q are integers, right? So it is rational. So here one side it is irrational and one side it is rational. So is it possible? Can we have such numbers? No, right? So which is contradictory. Okay. We cannot have such a type of equation. This means what? Why we are getting this contradiction? Why? Because we assumed that 4 root 2 is rational, right? We assumed this. Okay, we assumed 4 root 2 is rational. So we got this contradiction, right? So therefore 4 root 2 is not rational. Okay, therefore 4 root 2 is not rational. If 4 root 2 is not rational means what? 4 root 2 is irrational. Therefore 4 root 2 is an irrational number. So we proved that 4 root 2 is an irrational number. That is only we have to prove, right? Prove that 4 root 2 is an irrational number, that we have proved here. 4 root 2 is an irrational number. So this is how we will prove any number irrational by using the proof by contradiction, that is by using indirect proof. The next question is, prove that 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. Prove that 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. Okay. Again we will prove this by using indirect proof, that is proof by contradiction. First we will assume the opposite of this statement, then we will prove, then we will get some contradiction, then finally we will prove that 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. So see the proof. Now the first step is, let us assume that 3 plus root 5 is not an irrational number. See, we have to prove it is an irrational number. So we will assume it is not. We will assume the opposite. Okay. So any number which is not irrational, will be rational. Okay. Therefore 3 plus root 5 is rational. Okay. It is not irrational means it is rational. Therefore 3 plus root 5 is rational. So any rational number we can write it in the form of P by Q form. Okay. Therefore 3 plus root 5 equal to P upon Q. Okay. Where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. We have assumed it is rational. So we can write it in the form of P upon Q form. Okay. Any rational number we can write it in the form of P by Q form, where P and Q are integers and the denominator Q is not equal to 0. Okay. Now we will solve this. Therefore, this 3 we will take it to the other side of equal to. So, root 5 equal to P upon Q. This 3 if we take it to the other side, it will become minus 3, right? So, this will minus 3. Okay, this 3 we have taken it to the other side of this equal to sign. Therefore, root 5 equal to this, if we solve, what we will get? P minus this 3. 3 into Q will be 3Q, the whole upon Q. Okay. Here in this equation, see the left hand side, that is root 5 is an irrational number, but the right hand side, that is P minus 3Q upon Q, this is rational. Why? Because see, it is in the form of P upon Q form, right? It is in numerator upon denominator form, this side. So this is rational. But here root 5 is irrational. Okay. So we will write here one step. In this equation, left side, that is, what is there in left hand side? Root 5. Root 5 is irrational and right side is rational. Okay, right side, this side is rational, which is contradictory. Here we are getting this contradiction. Why we are getting this contradiction? Because see, here we have assumed that 3 plus root 5 is rational. We assumed this. So this is wrong. So 3 plus root 5 is not rational. Therefore 3 plus root 5 is not rational. Therefore 3 plus root 5 is irrational. We got this contradiction because here we assumed that 3 plus root 5 is rational. If we assumed it is rational, we are getting this contradiction. So that means what? 3 plus root 5 is not rational. Therefore 3 plus root 5 is irrational number. Okay. So this is how we prove that 3 plus root 5 is irrational number. Here we are using the indirect proof. So with this we complete this topic. If you have any doubt, please write it in the comments. If this video was useful to you, then please like and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.